The next time you get asked a question on a call that you're unsure of the answer to, I want you to think of Gong as the best data source to understand the answer to that question and get a real life example of how another team member is positioning it. Why I'm saying this instead of going to Slack or CRM or starting to ping your team members is Gong already has all of your calls and all of your emails in one place. And this Ask AI helps unlock it. So come into this conversations page, come into this search here, and here's where you can ask your question. Could be as simple as, do we integrate with Slack? If so, how should I position the integration? Now, if I were smart, I would actually filter down this data set first. So I could look for a keyword like Slack integration or look across specific team members. Since I'm not smart, I'm searching across 36,000 interactions here. Imagine trying to do this in Claude or ChatGPT and exporting even 15 call transcripts at random. This will allow you to search across a much wider data set and thus provide a much higher quality output and the context within it. So here's the answer. Yes, we do integrate with Slack. Here's exactly how you should position it. Here are some of the selling points: seamless integration, data management, overcoming fragmentation. Now, my favorite part as a rep is it doesn't just give me the answer, it gives me the context behind it. So I'm like, hey, this is great, but I need to see like this in the wild. How are they positioning it? Are they screen sharing? Are they showing different parts? Go to this top matches here, and it's going to show them calls where we actually highlighted that specific integration. I can now learn from other top performers on my team and how they're positioning this, what they're showing on those calls. Leave some comments on the go as well. Tell them you're learning from them and how immensely helpful it is. This will give you that answer in minutes that's accurate versus spending potentially hours trying to hunt down things between calls.